Why digital marketing and why Legacy 2.0? I'm going to share with you guys back in September of 2022 when I decided to launch into the digital marketing space. Let me share with you why. Because it gave me the ability to get my life and my time back. And it gave me the ability to have a lifestyle business where I could do everything from a few apps on my phone. And after I got that work done, I could lay my phone down and literally have the rest of the day with my family. But I had an automated business working for me 24/7. That was the freedom I always dreamed of. So I took this blueprint, this strategy, this digital marketing strategy, and I followed the blueprint step by step. And I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months. And I need to add this, I've never spent a dime on ads. I've never ran one ad. I was able to go 6 figures in 6 months, hit my first million in 17 months, and last year alone, in 2024, made over $4 million in the digital marketing space without running any ads. So it's not like, hey, this is what I made, but this is what I spent. No, that is what I made because it was 100% profit. But what I noticed, and this is why Legacy 2.0, what I noticed inside my community, the other people that were achieving 6 figures were learning the skills inside the program and they were adding multiple income streams. So Legacy 2.0 is actually going to help you become certified in this space so you understand exactly the skills and the strategies that it takes for you to attract a daily paying customer. What to do, what not to do, how to ethically build a successful business. Here's why this is so important. Do you realize when you learn how to attract 1 customer a day, our #1 selling product is 900. When you learn how to attract 1 customer a day, 900 a day is $328,000 a year. If you learn those skills and strategies, in 3 years, you're a self-made millionaire in the digital marketing space because you did a lifestyle business from a few apps on your phone. So Legacy 2.0 is going to take a deeper dive into affiliate marketing, a deeper dive into how to get monetized. I'm monetized on TikTok. I'm monetized on YouTube. Matter of fact, I make almost more money on YouTube than what my goal was in the digital marketing space back in September of 2022. And I'm not adding more time to make that income. So you are going to learn how to monetize that, but you're also going to learn how to add reoccurring income streams. You have reoccurring bills. Why wouldn't you not only want to learn how to attract a daily paying customer, but why wouldn't you also want to learn reoccurring income? So that is the power of Legacy 2.0. And what I love is you're going to have step-by-step strategy. It's like a 3 to 5 minute action step every day to help you get a clear understanding what it takes to be successful in the digital marketing space, plus live interactive mentoring and support. You have a community of over 50,000 people that has done over $29 million in 10 months, and they all made 100% profit and no spending money on ads. So we are so pumped about Legacy 2.0 so they can help you reach your goals in 2025 and help you have a solid, stable business, your own business, where you have complete control. You don't got to worry about somebody else or sharing your profits with anybody. And that is what we absolutely love about it. So if you are ready to learn the skills to have a wildly successful business and have a simple to follow blueprint, just put ready in the comments and I'm going to get you the blueprint details and get you more information on Legacy 2.0.